Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a fascinating aspect of sublimation printing. Can you use a sublimation print more than once? This question intrigues many crafters looking to maximize their materials and create unique, vintage-style designs. Before we get started, keep in mind you can visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Now, let's dive into the nuances of reusing sublimation prints, the expected results, and some creative ways to make the most of your prints. Understanding sublimation print reusability. Sublimation is a popular method for transferring vibrant, durable designs onto a variety of materials. Typically, the process involves turning dye into gas that embeds into the substrate. But what happens to the ink left on the paper? Can it be reused effectively? Let's break down the factors that affect the reusability of a sublimation print. So, what are the key factors influencing reusability? Ink residue. The amount of ink remaining on the sublimation paper post-transfer is critical. If the paper still shows a significant amount of visible ink, it may be possible to get a second use, though the intensity will likely decrease. Material choice. The type of material you're transferring to plays a crucial role. While 100% polyester fabrics can sometimes handle a second press with decent results, other materials like ceramic or blended fabrics might not be as forgiving. Here's a step-by-step guide to reusing sublimation prints. Assessment. Carefully examine the used sublimation paper. If the design still appears vibrant on the paper, it's a candidate for a second press. Preparation. Trim the paper around the design to fit the new substrate neatly, ensuring it's free from any debris or imperfections. Repressing. Apply the print to your chosen material using the same temperature and time settings as the initial transfer. Note that results may vary, with the design likely appearing lighter and less vivid. Now let's discuss some creative uses for faded prints. Vintage appeal. Embrace the less vibrant, washed-out look to create items with a retro or vintage feel. This aesthetic works great for apparel, especially t-shirts and tote bags that benefit from a softer, aged appearance. Layering techniques. Use faded prints as a background for layered designs. Combining a faded base with bright new imagery can add depth and complexity to your projects. Mixed media art. Incorporate second-use sublimation prints into mixed media art, combining them with painting, embroidery, or other decorative techniques to enhance the overall design. In conclusion, reusing sublimation prints offers a unique opportunity to extend the life of your materials and explore different creative effects. While the second press might not be as vibrant as the first, it opens up new possibilities for artistic expression and sustainable crafting. Experiment with different materials and settings to find what works best for your specific project needs. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences with reusing sublimation prints in the comments below. Your insights could help other crafters in our community. Keep in mind you can visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Keep experimenting, and see you in the next video for more tips and tricks in the world of crafting.